Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to one of another sessions by Titans University, and today we would be talking about how you can improve your ad position by using something called as ad extensions. This discussion will involve about knowing about what ad extensions are, how do you find them, what kinds of ad extensions are available, and how do you create your own ad extensions in your Google Ads account. So let's get started without any delay. What you see in front of you now is a Google Ads account that is waiting for you to log in to go ahead and understand how ad extensions work. But before that, let me ask you a simple question. What are ad extensions? Have you seen any extensions yourselves? Would you want to look at the ad extensions that I'm going to show you? Of course, yes, is the answer. I can almost hear you say that. So let's get started with understanding what ad extensions are and how do you see ad extensions in real time and how they assist your ads in general. So let's go to google.com. Before we even log into the account and we create our ad extensions, we need to understand what ad extensions actually are. All right, so let's say buy books online, or better yet, let's search for buy shoes online. All right, so when you search for a keyword called buy shoes online, there are certain ads that you see. This is an ad. These are shopping ads, of course. This is an ad, and scroll down to see if there are any other ads that you're able to see. Regalshoes.in, gigapromo.in, and legwork.in. Now, these are the ads that you see which are labeled as ads on Google search. All right. Now, if you look at this is a headline, and Google is only supposed to give you 3 headlines and 2 descriptions for any ad appearing in real time. But if you look at it, there are things apart from text from the headlines and descriptions that you see here. Up to 70% off on footwear, buy shoes for men, pickandhook.com is the headline. The first 2 lines that you see are the next 2 lines that you see are your descriptions. But what's below that? 70% off sale on top brands valid between March 13 to 31st. That is called as an extension. Now this extension lets you click on this and go directly to the page where there is a sale that's going on. Move forward and see, look at the other ads. The other ads talk about only these 2 lines are supposed to be descriptions. Now, what are these? What is this additional line? That's also an extension called as the Callout Extension. Now, these links that you see, additional links that you see. Now, if you are if you want to look at what products are on either sale or what products are trending, it doesn't make sense for you to click on this headline, go to this page, and then navigate through. You can directly click on the trending page here. Now, these are links on your website which are appearing in addition to your ad, that can help you navigate directly through to that page. Now, how does it help the user? The user is happy because it's saving him the additional navigation that he has to go through. It's good for the advertiser because users' cycle of buying a product reduces because they don't have to go roundabout. They just go directly to that page where there is a trending page or a sales page going on. So these additional links that you see are called as site links because these are additional sites. These are additional links on your website. Similarly, these are site links. So let me go ahead and show you what are all the different kinds of extensions available so that we will bifurcate each of them and we will look at them independently, and we will also look at how do you create these in your Google Ads account. First things first, this is a headline. These are the 2 description lines that you see. Now this is a callout extension and this is a site link that you see here. Scroll down. These are site link extensions that you see here. These are site link extension. This is a callout extension, right? These are site link extensions here. Now, let's keep looking at other searches. Let's say book a cab, right? Book a cab. No ads here, no ads here, no ads here, no ads here. All right, there are some ads here. Now, when you say book a cab, you see a phone number, right? This is a call extension, which is a phone number. Now, the advantage with call extension is users don't even have to click on your ad and spend money on that. They can simply pick up the phone and call this number, which is right there, right? Now, this is a phone extension. Now, these are site link extensions. These are call out extensions because they're providing additional information. Site link extensions. Now, this is something which is interesting, right? Amritsar to Jammu, 3,299 rupees, all inclusive. What do you think they're talking about? They're talking about a price of a travel package or a cab package, if you can understand it that way. There is a more section here. So when you click on more, there are 2 other pricing mechanisms mentioned here. One is Ludhiana to Jammu and then the other one is Chandigarh to Jammu. Now these are, ladies and gentlemen, price extensions. This is a breakup or different pricing models available for this particular service provider. So now we have looked at a call extension, which is a phone number. We have looked at sitelink extensions. We are looking at something called as a price extension. We have also looked at something called as a callout extension, which helps provide additional information. Now let's order flowers online, for example. If I need to send a flower bouquet to someone, let's say online in Chicago, for example. Right, these are site links. These are site links. There are no site links here. Scroll down. Okay, these are site links. Now, if you look at this ad, there is a site link extension. There is a pricing extension, right? These are all site links. These are callout extensions, which is additional information. This is a location extension, which is giving you the physical location of the business, right? Now, if you want to go ahead and call them, you can go to the website, pick up the phone number, call them. If you don't want to call them, if you directly want to walk in, you have a physical address, you can just go and visit them there. There is another form here. Look at this. This is a lead form. This is called as a lead form extension, which means you click on this ad, you will see where you can, all the details that you can fill in and you can submit so that the lead goes to these advertisers. Now, the advantage with this is you don't have to click on the website, go through and wait, pick up the phone number and call them. You don't have to go through the website, go to the contact us page and fill in the form. You can directly fill in the lead form here so that these guys can call you directly and take you through the process of whatever you wanted help with, right? So the additional extensions that we saw here are lead form extensions, and you also saw something called as a location extension, right? Now let's say cab apps. Let's see if there is anything else that can. Okay, this is called as a structured snippet extension, right? Which is a kind of a category. It tells you what all categories are available. For example, it says types PDF, doc, PPT, XLS, TXT, whatever that was. Now search for cabs. Now this is a listing. It is a directory listing for searching cabs in London. And if you want to look at the directory, you can download them in terms of PDF, doc, PPT, XLS, TXT. This is a category which is a predefined category, which means you can't specify the category. You have to choose from the list available. These kind of extensions are called as structured snippet extensions. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm talking about something called as an app extension, which is shown only in mobile phones. Let's say, look at the images. Now, on a mobile phone, when you search for something, this is the Amazon app, and they have a link to this link on this ad, which is asking you to download the Amazon app. Now, these are called as app extensions, which are very, very, very specific to your mobile phones. Sometimes on YouTube ads also, you will see these kind of app install ads. This is a kind of ad that you have. Now, let's search for something else, which is deals on Amazon, for example. All right. This is a phone extension, site link extensions. There is no extension which is talking about coupons. But there is an extension for coupons which is called as the promotion extensions, right? Let's start searching for deals today. Let's see if there are any promotion extensions. Yeah, I think this is a promotion extension, right? They're talking about an offer that's being run. So this is called as a promotion extension. So that's how you can go ahead and create different extensions for your ad. By now you would have understood how extensions look like. Now this is another extension, which is a promotion extension. They have deals from $9.19 for pillows, and this is an extension which is talking about the promotion that these guys have, right? All right, so that's about the extensions in real time, but let's look at how do you create them for your own ads account. First things first, log into your Google Ads account without any delay, logged in. Now, ad extensions are very specific to ads, which means you would have to navigate from campaigns to ad groups to ads. So let's go to campaigns that I have, select a campaign which is active. Now this is a campaign that's active, so I will click on this. Go to your ads section. Under ads section, you will see something called as extensions. There are about 10 extensions that you can go ahead and create. We have looked at almost all of these. There is only one extension that we have not seen, which is affiliate location extensions. Affiliate extensions are, let's say, by Google Home. Let's see if we spot a location extension. It's difficult, but let's see. By Amazon Alexa. Nope. All right, let me show you what that means. And by the way, before we even move forward, let's say buy Alexa Echo.sale, get up to 70% off. When I click on this, I will be taken to the website of bestdeals.today, and bestdeals.today will be charged for that click, right? Now, what happens if I click on these site links? The site links also, the clicks are applicable. When you click on the site link, you will be charged as much as you would be charged for clicking the headline. But there is another thing that you need to remember. What if I click on all these 5 site links? I click on this site link, let's say open in a new tab. What happens if I open all the 5 tabs, which means there are 5 clicks, right? Do you think Google charges me 5 times, or do you think I will only be charged once? The answer is none of the above. How many times did I search for this keyword? I searched for only once, so that's 1 impression. For 1 impression from a website called bestdeals.today, irrespective of, if you click on once, you will get charged once. But if I start clicking more than twice, if I start clicking more than 2 times, and irrespective, even if I click like 10 times or 10 different links on this ad, the maximum number of times that I would be charged is twice. Which means even if I open all these 5 links, I will only be charged twice. So that's something that you need to remember about extensions. It doesn't mean that just because I'm clicking on these 5 links, which are site links, I will be charged 5 times. It's not like that. You will only be charged twice. The maximum number of times that you will be charged for an ad for 1 impression is 2. If I open this, if I search for this keyword again, and if I see this ad again, if I click on 2 more times, I will be charged 2 more times. So in total, I would have been charged 4 times for 2 impressions. So for every impression of the ad, irrespective of how many times you click on multiple links, you will only be, the maximum number of times that you will be charged is 2. Right? Keep that in mind. All right, so let's log into the account. These are the kind of extensions. Now, if you see, these are all the site links that I have created. So let me show you in a snapshot about how do you create these things. Go to plus, click on site links. You can either choose from the existing ones that you already have, or you can create a new site link. Site link text is something that you can use. So let's say our reviews. Description line is check out our reviews, right? This can be anything, best in the town, and you will include a URL for your website. So when people click on this link, where do we want them to go? For example, I'm going to link them to amazon.com/reviews, right? And let's say save. That's it. It will also show you a real-time preview of how it looks in real time. So contact us is something that I have created. Go back to extensions, click on extensions again, create a new extension, which is a callout extension. Callout extensions are nothing but all the USPs of your business. For example, best deals. Then you have, let's say, COD available. Then you have same day delivery, whatever, right? So whatever you put in will start appearing as your callouts, which means you're drawing people's attention by highlighting all the unique features that you have about your business. All right, so let's go back. The other extension that we would talk about is structured snippet. Structured snippet, as I've told you, has a set of headers that you are predefined, which means you can create site link extension. You can create structured snippet extensions for these. For example, if you're a travel company who deals with travel in countries like India, Thailand, and let's say Europe, right? Now you can include all these things. Now let's say if you have any more, you will say US. If you have anything else, you will have Canada, right? So do you see this? Description will say destinations. These are all the destinations that I have. So these are a set of things that you cater to, or the models that you have, or the kind of the products that you have, or the product variants that you have. And these are the predetermined headers that you have, right? Amenities, brands. If you have multiple brands that you serve, you can use this. If you have different models, you can use this. If you service different neighborhoods, you can choose this. You can highlight what's there in your service catalog. Let's say I do LED lights, I have neon lighting, I have something else, so I will include in service catalog. So this is how you include structured snippets under a header and all the values of that header, right? All right, so move forward. You have call extensions. It's just a phone number. Let's say India. So let's say this is the phone number, and your phone number will start appearing here as call. Now this is on mobile phones. Look at the desktop. This is how it looks in the desktop. right? You can just put in you can track your conversions and you can increase your bids specific to a call extension. Moving forward, lead extensions. Lead extensions, I've told you, are very, very simple forms that you can enable to show in your ads itself. Now, let's say I'm going to say sign up today, right? Today deals is the name of my website. Description is deals every day. I'm just filling in something. I want to collect name and phone number of people, and I can add in images. I have additional questions, and I will add description, right? And then I will customize the thank you page, whatever I want to look at it as. Now this is how my form will appear in the ad. When people see my ad, there will be a form. People can click on this form. The sign up form opens. They can fill in the details. All right. Next, you have something called as location extension, which is just a physical location of your business. You will have to link it to your Google business account, which is a mandate for all the businesses now. If you want to sign up for a local business, sign up for a Google My Business account, get it verified by Google so that it will start showing on the map. Once it's showing on Google Maps, you can link that with your Google Ads account. Remember to have for better syncing of the addresses and to handle things seamlessly, include the same Gmail ID and password that you used here for your Google My Business as well. Affiliate location extension is, imagine I have a product like Amazon Alexa that I wanted to buy, or if I sell. If people buy from Amazon, it gets delivered to them in 3 days. But what if there is a store next to them which is an Amazon dealer, and if I have to route them to that place, I can give that location here, right? General retailers, I can say it is available at the name of the store available. When they click on this, they will be taken to the stores where the Amazon Alexa is available if they don't want to wait until the product arrives online. All right. Now, price extensions is different price ranges that you have seen. Let's say to Hyderabad, what is my flight charges or my cab charges or whatever, right? And then you can include another extension, let's say to Bangalore or Bengaluru, right? What are the charges available or charges that I charge? So it'll start appearing as different price ranges available, so people can get an idea of your pricing from the extension itself. All right, then you have app extensions, which is very specific for promoting apps. Let's say if I'm trying to promote my app, let's say Uber is my app. You can't do it for any app. You can only do it for your own app. So you can do this, and then it will say download the app now, right? The last extension that I have is promotion extension, which I said if there are any deals going on, let's say I have deals on shoes, and I can send them to www.amazon.com/shoes, and then I can promotion details on orders over, let's say $100, right? And what is the discount? Is it money or is it a percentage of 20%, right? And then you can save. It says 20% off shoes on orders over above 100. So that's how you customize your promotion extensions. 2 things that you need to learn from this session. Never underestimate the importance of ad extensions because they really help you in boosting your ad position. 2 is it helps you drastically reduce your CPCs when done correctly by showing as much information to the user as possible. 3, it draws attention from your users who can get attracted looking at your ad because you're providing so much of information. Please include as many ad extensions as possible when you're writing ads and when you're working with ad extensions. Thank you so much for being a part of this program. My name is Casey, your coach. Ciao.